everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to allow your device to suggest you emojis whilst typing. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's enter languages and input, and let's focus on this keyboards section. We have to tap on on-screen keyboards. And now we have to pick our current keyboard, I mean the keyboard we've got currently set. So in my case it will be Gboard, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find emojis, stickers and GIFs. Let's tap, and I've accidentally turned off the predictive content search. Okay, so if we are on those settings, all we have to do is to simply scroll down to the very bottom actually, because as you can see we've got the suggestions whilst typing, and here we've got the emojis, which are in my case turned on, and defaultly they should be turned on, but if you've got them turned off, if they look like it, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment your device should be allowed to suggest you some emojis. So actually this is it. This is how to enable emoji suggestions in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.